necessarily high, it really is that beautiful. Man, let's fly by. Welcome to FlyBy. We are powered by AOPA. My name is Paul Harrop, and we use social media to spread aviation videos in bite-sized chunks. Now, this isn't David Bowie taking his rightful place in the heavens, but it comes pretty close. This is Spanish paraglider Horacio Llorens flying under the Aurora Borealis in Norway. Red Bull claims it is the first real-time video of action sports underneath the northern lights. Either way, look at that. It is simply breathtaking. So imagine you're a drug eradication pilot in Central America. There you are flying along in your turbine-powered ag sprayer, about to go ruin some coca or something, when all of a sudden, boom! Ay Dios mío! A bomb goes off in the treetops just off your right wing. Wow, take a look at the smoke trail behind you. That's not air show smoke. Here it is in slow motion. One more time. Watch the tree. Ah, there it is. Well, that's what this video appears to show. It hit Facebook last week. Man, it is pretty scary stuff. So apparently there's this awesome show on this Sunday. I'm told it's a bunch of really great commercials interrupted by some pesky clips of a football game. Super Bowl 50 is set to kick off between the Carolina Cessnas and the Denver Pipers, or something like that. All I know is you can't fly near it, and if you do, you're in trouble, because fighter jets. This is not something you want to see. This is video from the Civil Air Patrol being intercepted by F-15 fighters. This is a practice for the real thing, just in case anyone busts the Super Bowl temporary flight restrictions. So pilots, goes without saying, check your NOTAMs. Now here's a sport I can get behind, or at least hopefully the heck out of the way of. This is the Drone Racing League. The operators wear video monitor glasses and fly these things remotely. It's called FPV, or First Person Video. The league hopes to turn it into the next big sport, so it could be coming to an arena near you. You'll be able to see drone racing in person at Modaero Aviation Festival. Here's some more information about it. That's FlyBy, powered by AOPA. Hey, do us a favor. Help us spread the word of general aviation to all your friends. Comment and share so it turns up in their timeline. My name is Paul Harrop. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.